Hey everybody, how's it going? Ryan here from 314 Bitcoin Consulting. Wanted to do unboxing of the Blockstream Jade. Let's check it out. I have a Blockstream Jade Bitcoin only hardware wallet. Wanted to open up and show you. So Blockstream Jade is a fully open source hardware wallet for the secure storage of Bitcoin and liquid assets. Used with Blockstream Green for best experience. Let's cut it open and see what's inside. Heard a lot of good things about this hardware wallet. It has a QR or a camera to scan QR codes, which is nice. I got the transparent orange version. There it is. Feels nice. Feels well built. Let's see what else we have. USB-C to USB-A. 12-word QR code sheet. So these basically fill out, and that can be your seed. See all that. Probably do another video of setting it up. Nice packaging. I'm pretty excited to try this one out. And you can actually make your own. You can find the parts and run the open source software. I'll probably do that too. Might do a video of it, but it seems really nice. I like it. Look for setup video. God bless.